And we just barely made it back across the bomb line at the time and headed toward our base in Gardnerville.
Gardnerville's in California, isn't it?
Yeah, Nevada.
No, Nevada.
That's where I live.
Okay, I remember you worked for
Yeah, I'm
the
trying to think of
aeronautics
I can't even think of our little base. Donzelberg is where we were based. And we didn't make it to Donzelberg.
Here, good.
We
I
made
got
it
the rest.
This little 3,000-foot strip that they were building, the British engineers were building this strip, and so we couldn't make it any further. We had thrown out all the ammo and all the loose stuff in the airplane, and we were still losing altitude because we were on one engine of a twin-engine aircraft.
How many of you were in there?
Well, just my crew of 5.
Wow, that must have been pretty scary.
It was, but anyway, our little navigator, who was our radio operator, too, guided us through this strip and over the bomb line. So the British had a group of POWs working on the strip.
Prisoners of war from Germany.
Yeah.
So you landed in friendly territory, not in enemy territory.
Yeah.
Thank God.
So anyway, their configuration of the strip was that they would make a sand lift of about 18 inches and then cover it with aluminum sheets with lightning holes in it. And so that provided a suitable surface for light airplanes like fighters. Well, we were fairly heavy by comparison. So anyway, they had this 3,000-foot strip maybe half completed. So the POWs were busy out there working, and we made one sweep over the strip to get POWs out of the way, and then turned into the good engine and was able to circle around and land. And so we just got to the end of the aluminum plates that were being made and stopped, and I just went over into the sand and gunned the engine, and we were able to turn around and get the airplane off of the strip. So we still had our bombs. We didn't get to drop the bombs on the target. We had two 2,000-pound bombs. And so we were ordered not to ever waste the bombs except on the target. So we brought the bombs with us, and so when we circled around, the engine stopped, and so POWs gathered around the airplane to look it over, and so our bombardier, our navigator opened the bomb bays and toggled one bomb out and come down, cut it onto the ground, and boy, the POW just disappeared. I thought it might explode. 2,000-pound bomb was a pretty big piece of armament. So anyway, dropped the other one, and then the armament people were able to come in and pick up those bombs and take them back back to our original base.